Hello, and good morning, everyone. Cassandra Goode coming to you live here from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, I am pumped up. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Albany, Georgia. But I wanted to definitely jump back on YouTube. Now, the reason why I'm doing that is because number one, let me tell you a couple of things that's been going on. A lot of you all realize that I've joined a few opportunities, a few affiliate marketing opportunities. I love affiliate marketing, whether it's online or it's offline. But if you catch me in something that's online, trust me, there is pure golden nugget and value infused in it. Now, if many of you know my story, good. I'm glad. I don't have to infuse it in here. Just definitely go ahead and thumb through some of my videos that were a couple of years back or several years back. But I will tell you this, something that has always been a passionate thing for me is being able to help the masses and being able to help the masses in such a way that neither person that steps to me, that connects with me, that embraces me, that starts to build a relationship with me, walks away empty handed. And I've had several of those opportunities where people walked away, or the opportunity or company will fold it and left everyone holding the bag. Well, these days are not going to be filled from this point moving forward. I had revamped myself. I had made sure that I researched, and I told you guys this several years ago that I will not touch anything that I feel that it could not help a person as a whole. It could not take away from the person without leaving them with something of substance. Well, ladies and gentlemen, any of you all know I got into the gold and silver opportunity again. Many of you all knew several years back I was a part of a company called Numerous Network. They actually closed. And I later got into carrot bars, but neither here nor there. The hands were changing just a little bit too much for me to continue. Okay, the company is still around, but as we all know, when we grow, we know better. We what? We do better. So here I found myself with a company that came into play by a young man that was browsing through YouTube. He found me. He loved my personality, love what I stand for, what I believe, and how I want to help people. So, ladies and gentlemen, 7K medals became a passion of mine that no longer, I promise you, do I need to look for anything that would give anybody, just leave anybody without substance and value and some kind of monetary gain along the way. So a lot of people have been saying over in social media and different places because I hang around Facebook, I hang around Instagram a little bit, more so Twitter and LinkedIn. It's like, Cassandra, but are you really building a business? I don't see you doing a whole lot. I don't see a lot of you all over the place sharing this business. If it's so passionate for you, then why aren't you sharing it all over the place? Reason why, and I'm getting ready to start doing more and more. It's because, guys, I was doing old school. I'll get on the horn, I'll get on the phone, I'll text message you, I'll SMS you. And not only that, I've been spending one on one time doing Zoom with a person, helping them to build, if they so desire, to build 7K. Finding that educational point that give them the edge to press forward and share this opportunity because it leaves no one left empty handed. And that was took precedent for me. That's the most important thing for me. Because you see, 7K makes you, which I love about it, doesn't make me, but it makes those that want to come in and think they want to get a lottery mentality fix, it makes them help their team if they want to elevate in the business opportunity themselves. And that's one of the greatest things that I love about 7K. But what I wanted to do is come on to this video and show you that, yes, my team is growing at a very nice rate. Since I've joined, when I joined, my leader, my upline, Mr. Tony Hubbard, who is the number one speaker of the company, he himself went from 20,000 people to almost 40,000 people alone in 6 months. What does that tell you? That tells you that we have the fastest growing team in 7K. Not only that, we are willing to extend ourselves, help our team help themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to show you that just last month, okay? Excuse me, I'm not going to say just last month, but at least the half of last month over into the first of this first couple of weeks of this month, just how much we're growing, so that you'll know, so that you'll realize that there's no fluff here. These are real numbers. This is not something that just happens to happen overnight or anything like that, but this is just something that actually will blow your mind. So I'm going to go in here and show you who actually just recently enrolled on my team. And I want you to see this. So we're going to go down here. And I'm not just trying to take people's names and put them out there, and whatever the case may be. But this is no joke. This is my team. We don't play. We're very serious. Very, very, very serious. And I'm scrolling and I'm scrolling. When I tell you about helping, we are serious about helping completely. I don't want to take anybody's name out of there. As you can see, this is my account. Okay. I also have another account, my business account, that I'm growing as well too. Because once you get into this wonderful opportunity, you will see the value in it and receiving precious silver or gold every single month on our auto saver plan. Because you have to remember, and if you don't recall it in my previous videos with 7K, because I know I haven't made many, but I promise you more to come. 7K Metals is all about memberships. And whether or not a person wants to choose a membership of basic or whether they want to choose a membership of premium, either one of those memberships will afford them to be able to align themselves with an autosaver program that is going to give them nothing but pure value every single month in asset of silver or gold alone. Not only that, if a person so chooses to build the 7K model, you have myself, my upline, who, like I said, is the number one presenter. He presents at every event that I just was invited to, coming in for New Jersey on August 21st, 2021. We're so excited that many people are honestly getting the education that they need to understand what having an asset of gold and silver would actually mean to them in their portfolio. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you right now, I thank you for coming on here. Definitely look for more videos. I have actually cleared out everything. My 101s, I explained to my team that I want to come back here on YouTube, my YouTube channel, and be able to share with the masses the wonderful opportunities that we have that are unfolding left and right in the lives that we're changing just with 7K Metals alone. That no one should absolutely miss the opportunity to be able to secure a solid asset, a tangible, in your hand asset that will accumulate value and create a legacy for you and your family for generations to come. That's transferable wealth. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming on in here, knowing that our team is growing like gangbusters. If you would love to join my team, definitely click the link below, like, share, and subscribe to this channel because I'm so excited, so pumped after taking that hiatus and helping directly hands on hands with my team, which I will do the same absolutely thing for you. Please, by all means, be welcome to join us. We'd love to have you. This is Cassandra Goode signing off, and I'll speak to you soon. And trust me, more videos to come. Y'all have a great day and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful Saturday.